Today, I will be showing you how to make your content even better. So, let's do this.
Alright, so now what we gotta do is go to the beat. So right here, like with that orange dot, this will help you and everyone on their mobile or PC to do what they have to do. Now this orange dot with the beat, this will help your videos get even more interesting, because just watch this. So do you see those little orange dots? Those are called beats, and those are sticking out. So this is for, like, example, it would jump cut like the other stuff, and all you could do, it was going to be like a jump cut. For example, it would jump cut your other scenes just like this. And the beats help you to know that it's going to switch to the next scene. And let's get to the next thing, so whatsoever. And now, that's going to be the chapters video. And that's kind of what I got to show you guys. If you guys love this video, please like and subscribe. So, and we will do the chapters video next. See you later.